Hey everyone, it's Gianna at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Happy Friday, everybody. I hope everyone is having a lovely weekend so far. Today, I have a super duper quick update for the Cardano community. The Cardano developers have been hard at work, so today I have a real quick dev update for you, as well as some stats for all of you number nerds. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. Input Output Global, the research and development arm of the Cardano blockchain, tweeted, "Curious what's new across the Cardano ecosystem. The latest Essential Cardano update breaks down key advances in tech, wallets, smart contracts, and more." So let's dive in to the key highlights for this week. Number 1, Consensus Team defines Laos demo scope. Number 2, Lace v.1.30 released. Number 3, UPLC 2025 event approaches. Number 4, Hydra v.1.0.0 released. Number 5, Intersect announces committee election dates and introduces service rewards. Number 6, Catalyst Fund 14 voting results are live. And number 7, Education Team focuses on post-event feedback and global expansion. Now let's dive a little bit deeper on what each dev team has been up to. First, we have core technology. The Consensus team is prototyping many protocols and components for the first Laos demo, using the actual node as a base. They've also updated ThreadNet tests to prepare for Paras and verify forking into the Distra era. We also have updates with smart contracts. UPLC 2025, a dedicated event for developers and researchers in the Plutus ecosystem, is less than 2 weeks away. Make sure you're ready for this exciting event. You can learn more at services.iohk.io/UPLC. We also have some upgrades with wallets and services. The Lace team has released v.1.30, which includes full Spanish localization. This update makes the wallet more accessible to a global audience. Users can switch their language by going to main menu and language. This is huge. Cardano has a growing Latin American community, so I'm glad more people will be able to access Lace. Most notably this week though, I think were upgrades with scaling. The Hydra team has officially released v.1.0.0. This release includes new tests designed to capture the current maximum UTXO limit before the fan-out process is no longer possible, improving operational visibility. We also have updates with governance with Voltaire. Intersect MBO members are invited to apply as candidates for seats on 7 committees until October 24th, 2025. Voting will take place from October 27th to November 7th, with results announced on November 14th, following an independent audit. Of course, we have an update on Catalyst. I know this sparked some more controversies. Some projects got funded more than others, and I know a lot of folks were unhappy with that, but the results are now live if you want to check them out. A total of 131 proposals have been funded across 4 categories, showcasing the diversity and innovation within the Cardano ecosystem. You can learn more at forum.cardano.org. And finally, we have an update from the education team. The education team is currently collecting feedback from recent events, including the Cardano Days event at the University of Wyoming and our attendance at Token 2049 in Singapore. This input is crucial for shaping future educational initiatives. We also have some updates in the broader Cardano ecosystem. In other news, Intersect and the Cardano Foundation co-designed a new framework that proposes a more transparent and collaborative approach to funding. Cardano community member and builder Mateus Bencourt released the State of the Cardano Developer Ecosystem Survey 2025 for the blockchain's developer community to complete. Since its inaugural release in 2022, this annual survey has offered a method for evaluating the broader technical environment while uncovering potential disparities. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in that report. I can do another video. The Input-Output research team presented 2 papers at the International Conference on Functional Programming, ICFP, a layered certifying compiler architecture, and Plinth, a plug-in powered language built on Haskell experience report. It announced that it will delegate a portion of the ADA it holds in custody to 5 stateful operators, SPOs. This is huge to get more liquidity onto Cardano. The Hoskinson Government and Policy Center was officially launched this week. Diffusion's staking baskets have officially reached a TVL, total value locked, of 633 ADA, distributed across 50 SPOs, stateful operators simultaneously. The Cardano Foundation launched a new What is Open Source course on Cardano Academy. Markets might still be down, but Cardano builders continue to build for the long run. Alright, now for the moment that you've all been waiting for. Now for this week's stats. 2013 projects building. 1.34 million delegated wallets. 10.93 million native tokens. 222,597 token policies. 142,286 Plutus scripts, 12,070 Aiken scripts, 114.80 million transactions, 1,508 D-reps, delegated representatives, and 322 GitHub commits. So I want to congratulate all the Cardano developers for all your hard work. It's really going to pay off. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. How are you feeling right now about Cardano? And what else does the ecosystem need? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors. And we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. Feel free to share with your friends with this content. And I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!